on the top of the hill there was a fox.
Fox eats
Chicken.
Yeah.
Hurried to warn the other chickens, but then she knew it was on no use. There was nothing to stop the fox from getting into the coop and hunting.
Hurting, okay, it's hurting, not hunting. Two different words. What's that?
Hunt.
Good.
Hunt.
Okay.
Hunting, and the other chickens helping.
Happiness. Okay, happiness. Okay. Happiness. Oh, the person stands. Okay, happiness. What's up?
Coop.
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 Coop. A cage.
Oh, what's that?
A cage has 4 chickens.
Helpless.
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 Helpless. Not
Protected.
Not protected. As helpless little baby.
Okay.
Helpless.
Helpless. Not able to defend yourself.
Helpless.
Helpless.
Casbed.
HELPLESS. Helpless.
What's that?
Adjective.
Okay. Happiness, not protected. Okay.
Helpless. She wanted watch the fox
Scurry.
scurry.
What's that?
Helpless.
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 Helpless. Not
Protected.
protected. Not protected. A helpless little baby.
Scurry.
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 Casbed.
SCRRY. Scurry.
One more time.
SCURRY. Scurry. To move quickly and with short steps.
Okay. The fox.
Scurry.
Scurry.
Okay. So she watched the fox.
Scurry down the hill, getting closer and closer.
Yeah, that the fox wants to eat the chickens. Okay.
And then honk, Webster came out running and honking with his wings spread, obey he, but huge and
frightening.
frightening,
Frightening means make other people feel frightened, make other people feel scared.
frightened. The fox gave him one look, then ran away out of sight.
Sight, that area you can see. Okay, that's sight.
Scary,
Scurry.
scary,
Scurry.
scary,
Scurry.
scary. To move quickly and with short steps.
Okay, mice.
Scurried around the house. Mouse scurried around the house.
Sight.
Sight,
Sight.
sight,
Sight.
sight.
Yeah.
See the rage of
Vision.
vision.
Okay.
The rage of vision.
Okay, the area you can see. Okay, the range of sight. You can spell.
SIGHT, sight.
No, I think we do that. Okay, here is the fox then run away out of sight. The fox run away so you cannot see it. Okay, and run out of sight.
Swear out of the way of the sight.
Of sight.
The chicken the chickens checked. Scared. The chickens cheered.
Yeah, cheered.
Take you Webster.
Harriet.
Harriet told him your hockey shop came in
Handy.
today.
Something coming handy means you can easily get it. Okay. Handy today, coming handy today.
Of course, said Webster. That's why I am here to protect you chickens.
Harriet.
Harriet smiled. She should have
Trusted. Trust. You see, this person trusted him. Okay, because she knew she will help him go up. That's called trust. Okay, trust was
sight.
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 okay. Position within view.
Position within view. God.
Get
out of my sight.
okay. Go away. Don't let me see you. Okay. Get out of my sight.
Trust.
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 Can spell
TRUST. Trust. To believe that someone or something that is
reliable,
good,
honest, effective.
effective.
Okay. Trust. Okay. Believe someone is good.
Believe someone's good.
Okay.
Are you sure this will work? Trust me. I know that what I am doing.
Okay, trust me. Okay, can spell it.
Trust. Trust.
Okay. She should have
Trusted that the she
wise
farmer had a good reason to bring Webster to
Shadowbrook.
Shadowbrook. Then she
Wonder.
Ooh.
Okay. It's a chicken, right? No. Yeah, like that. Work like that. A dog. What's that?
Trust.
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 Ooh. Ooh.
Waddle.
Water.
Waddle.
Water.
Waddle.
Water.
Okay, it's like I think a dog. The goose.
Waddle.
Water.
Can spell.
Waddle. Water.
Okay.
To walk with short steps.
Okay. Okay. The body is
Baby
swing.
swing. The baby body from side to side.
Okay, that's one.
Yes.
Waddle.
Water.
Waddle.
Water.
Waddle.
Water.
Can spell.
Waddle. Water.
Yeah, dog.
The duck waddled back into the water
Okay.
to move forward while swaying from one side to side.
Okay.
He waddled
Then she
back to the barn to tell
Dora
Dora and
Jasper.
what that the new goose wasn't so bad after all.
Okay.
It's after all.
Okay. What's that?
Background. A group of farm animals miss the farmers' farms they lived in before they came to Shadowbrook Farm. A farmer wants to start a farm called Shadowbrook Farm, but first she needs to get animals. A group of farm animals are happy and well cared from living and at Shadowbrook Farm. A farmer buys a lot of animals for Shadowbrook Farm, but she doesn't know how to take care of them.
So which one? The background.
Background. This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Okay. Okay, that's good.
This is
Okay, stop here.